guys.
Good evening.
As you can all know that our topic is how can we celebrate our festivals without harming nature. You can see October is the month where many of the festivals are come and we celebrate them. You can see like Diwali, we celebrate Diwali, uh, but in many times we celebrate Diwali as wrong ways, like burning crackers and spreading the pollution, and you know that pollution harm our nature. You can see that in ancient times there was no crackers and people celebrate Diwali and all the festivals with their purity and with their traditional matters and things. You can see that nowadays we make our festivals for only fun things, and we don't know the real real meaning of our festivals, what they are, what they why we celebrate festivals to in ancient times, for which what the festival gives us to a lesson. And you can see that in present we celebrate Diwali we celebrate Diwali for burning crackers and not in Diwali, in many festivals, like in Western culture festivals, you can see they also make pollution harm, and they actually like in some Muslim festivals, you can see that they cut the
God.
they cut the
They cut the God.
they cut the goat, and this is also produce animal waste.
Right.
Yeah, and they harmful for our nature. So my opinion is the festival we are celebrate now, we can celebrate our festivals like in ancient times, or we can just change the festival, not burning crackers. We can burn crackers, eco-friendly we can burn eco-friendly crackers, and we can also hang out with our friends and families to malls and all restaurants. We can celebrate with our families for